to NBA Nightly Picks. I do these videos on the daily, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel above. Also, guys, the highlights will be below, roughly about 35 minutes after the game. So definitely, the highlights will be in the video response in words. So check that out after the game. Don't forget to come back and check that out after the game in case you can't watch the highlights. You're not by anybody with cable, or you just happen to be in the computer and want to watch some highlights. Also, don't just be a viewer, join the discussion, post a comment. It's not everything I say you're going to agree with, and I like thumbs up, so if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button below right here. Thank you very much. Anyways, let's jump straight into it. The first game is the Phoenix Suns versus the San Antonio Spurs. Spurs is on a 6-game losing streak. They haven't lost 6 straight since 96-97 season. They've been struggling right now, and it wasn't Tim Duncan, Ginobili, or Parker fault. These guys had big nights. Duncan had a nice night. Ginobili had a nice night. Parker had a nice night. These guys played pretty good basketball, but it all ended up the Rockets wanted to win the game more. You know what I'm saying? The Rockets wanted to win the game more. Rockets end up winning in overtime. Kevin Martin lit their ass up. They're going against the Phoenix Suns. They got a little bit of life left for the playoffs, you know what I'm saying? So, and Spurs are home, so I would definitely have to take the San Antonio Spurs to win this one and start that 6-game slide, as bad as I want them to lose so the Lakers can take the top spot. But I'd be a damn fool not to take the San Antonio Spurs to beat the Phoenix Suns tonight. But at the end of the day, in my head, I want the Suns to win, but Spurs will win. And that's my NBA Nightly Pick. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to join the discussion, post a comment. Highlights will be below. Deuce.